In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paper trade on TradingView, specifically designed for beginners looking to get acquainted with trading without risking any real capital. Paper trading is an invaluable tool that allows you to practice and understand trading strategies using a demo account. This is your risk-free playground to learn the ropes of trading. So, let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to head over to TradingView's website. Once you're on the home page, locate the trading panel. It's typically found towards the bottom of the screen, and this panel works as your primary interface for managing trades. When you click on it, a variety of trading features and options will open up for you. Within this panel, you'll see an option labeled Paper Trading. Clicking on this will open a demo account, otherwise known as a paper trading account, which mimics live market conditions without involving real money. Now that you've access to the paper trading account, it's time to connect your account. Simply click on the Connect button. Once you're connected, you'll be able to see important metrics like your account balance, equity, and more right on your dashboard. This keeps you informed and engaged as you simulate trades. Next, let's move to setting up your account preferences. Click on Trading Settings to tailor your experience. Here you can adjust a variety of settings to customize how you engage with your paper trading account. Make sure to configure these options so that they align with your trading goals and strategies. To get started, you'll need to create your account. Go ahead and click on the Create Account option. You'll be prompted to enter an account name. Take a moment to think of a name that's both memorable and professional, as it helps keep your learning experience organized. After that, you can adjust your account balance. This is an excellent way to simulate trading with different amounts of capital and see how your strategies might perform in variable scenarios. You also have the chance to choose your preferred currency, adding another layer of realism to your paper trading experience. If you're planning to explore leveraged trading, TradingView allows you to adjust this setting as well. Adjusting the leverage can help simulate both higher risks and potential returns. Once you have all your settings in place, click on Create to finalize your setup. Now comes the fun part. You can start engaging with market strategies by buying or selling assets. TradingView allows you to place trades and even set parameters like take profit or stop loss levels. This is a crucial step in learning how to manage risk effectively. After you've placed a trade, it's time to execute it. Simply click on Sell or Buy, depending on your trading strategy. And remember, while this is just for practice, treat your decisions as seriously as you would on a real account to gain the most from this learning opportunity. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now ready to get started with paper trading on TradingView. Enjoy your trading journey and happy practicing.